Once upon a time, deep beneath the ocean waves, there existed a magical kingdom of sea fairies. These fairies, with their delicate wings and enchanting glow, lived in harmony within the vibrant coral reefs. Among them were two fairies named Liana. Serene was a proud and haughty sea fairy. She had striking wings of gold and crimson that glistened like flames under the ocean currents. Her hair was as black as the deepest parts of the sea, and her piercing blue eyes were always filled with a sense of superiority. Serene was beautiful and powerful, but she often looked down on others, thinking herself the best among all the sea fairies. Liana was a kind-hearted sea fairy with wings that shimmered in soft hues of pastel pink and blue. Her long, flowing hair sparkled like sunlight on water, and her gentle green eyes